Morning. We're on day 2 of doing lift kits and new tires, and today we are going to do Ed's quad, and yesterday we did my quad, so we're going to do his quad today and see if that takes 6 hours for one wheel.
Well, hopefully it won't. So I'm thinking, before I even get started, as you were pulling the green machine over, I was looking at how much higher your footboard is compared to mine. So I got a tape measure. Let's just measure the difference between stock and modified.
Okay.
Alright, so this is a stalker. A stalker. And I'm sitting at 9 3/4 inches to the footboard.
Okay.
Look at yours. I mean, they're not even close. So we went from 9 3/4. Wow. 9 3/4 to 14. 4 1/4 inches up. Holy jumping jackrabbits. Now I'll get you a step stool.
Tiny little ladder. I'm not going to show you the whole putting on the lift kit thing because it'll be really boring, but we will be back and show you a little bit as we're doing it. See you in a bit. So one side is done. It did say that we didn't need spring compression, but we absolutely did need it. Wouldn't have been able to do it without it. And he did do one side without it on mine, and it took him like, I don't know, 4 hours?
4.5 anyways.
4.5 hours, so definitely spring compression is needed with this lift kit. We did get it on Amazon, and I think it was Smart Parts Company or something. You know, it didn't have a lot of reviews, but what it had, it was good. And now I'm wondering if he's going to slap the tire on there so I could just see what it looks like.
Oh, you want me to do that before I get started?
Yeah, you said that that's what you were going to do.
Okay, well, I think you're going to have to put the camera on hold because my hub design, I have this cap that covers my lug nuts. So, and these are on by an Allen wrench, so I'm going to have to take that piece off first. And yeah, McGrath, do you want to find the size for that? We'll pop one of these caps off and we'll throw a tire on.
Yeah, these are Sedona Riot tires on Maxxis, wheels on Maxxis Zillas tires.
We might be able to.
And I really like these. I honestly didn't really like them too much when he was looking at them and ordered them, but I really like them now. I think they're really sharp, and I like the cap that goes over the lug nuts. So, and again, we got these tires from on eBay from Trax Motorsports. You know, just saying that they really, you know, were great to work with. We don't have any, you know, tie to them or anything, but they were really good to work with. So anyhow, we're going to get one of these lug nuts off, and then we'll be back. Okay, we're back. He got the center cap off, and we're going to put it on just to see what it looks like. And
what's that?
It looks really ugly without the center cap, I must say. What?
That's funny.
These two screws are fake.
Oh.
Posers. We bought posers.
I want to get better in the...
Go in there.
Uh-oh, the tire does not like the quad.
Resistance is futile.
The grunts and groans of an old man.
Here we go.
Wife gets a tire
Start
flung at her
mom.
head. We need the lug nut.
Do you want to take a here? Take a socket and find a socket that fits that. Is that it?
Yes.
Okay, do you want to put it on me? Oh, I got the extension right here. Okay, obviously it's not going to look exactly like this because we got this thing a foot up off the ground.
Yeah, but we can see what it looks like with the green.
Yeah.
What does it look like with the green?
Do you want to get me the ratchet handle that goes with this, buddy boy? It's on the other side. It's probably actually sitting on the shock. Just this way.
Does that only have 2 screws too?
Boy, way to save a buck, huh? Only tap in 2 holes instead of 4.
Well, I guess you really don't need 4, do you?
Yeah. Be careful not to crack it. It is plastic, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's the only thing that's not good.
Well, basically it's like just a hubcap, you know?
I know, but it doesn't look as pretty without
Hey,
it.
buddy boy, you want to reinstall that hubcap?
It's a hubcap or a center cap?
Yes.
Whatever you want to call it. buddy.
Yes. Make sure you screw in the real screws and not the fake screws.
There's differences. Fake ones are made off plastic.
As my son sits there and rolls his eyes at me.
Oh, okay, well now maybe I do like them. Careful where you step, baby. There's tires behind you.
Yeah, I know, I was looking. Okay, so there is the first tire on.
Actually, that's pretty sharp.
Yeah, I like it.
It should up the value of this ATV by what? $6, $7?
Okay, we will be back. Okay, lift kit is done on both front and rear, and we're putting on the rear tires. And we're going to get it off the lift and see what it looks like. But I think it's looking pretty good so far.
The old gray man just ain't.
Okay, last video, finished product.
Yep, same as you.
Okay,
Nice, huh? Yeah. You want to take it for the first spin down the road, Lise?
nope.
Still some stickers.
Now let's see if the old girl will start up.
Why is it that it's always that it's old girl, not old man?
I don't ride old men, I ride